Welcome back. You're still watching Daytime Live, and we are joined by the awesome, fabulous fashion and costume designer, Raxann Chin. Hello, Raxann.
Hello.
The blue looks so beautiful on you. I love it.
Thank you so much. I actually do happen to love blue on my skin tone.
It works.
It's not everybody know about skin tone. You hear that? That's professionalism talking.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
So, Raxann, tell us how a girl from St. James managed to become designer for a Disney show.
Nice.
You know, who would have predicted, you know, but at the same time, I grew up in a environment where my grandfather was a tailor, though I never really spent a lot of time around him. And I had people on my mom's side as well who did that kind of work. And I guess it was something that I was always exposed to in fashion and loved it, and just applied some of the tenets of life that I find that are important is, you know, just being authentic, just showing up, just doing your best, working hard, and just following your dreams.
Well, Raxann, those principles have clearly worked for you, because now you are an award-winning designer. Congratulations. I love it. I'm so proud. So tell us some of the awards you've gotten so far, because there are many more to come, of course.
And I accept that as well. Many more to come. And I so far have gotten the Caribbean Style and Culture Award from Carib Nation.
Nice.
The Young, Gifted and Black Entrepreneurial Awards for Fashion Designer of the Year, as well as the Jamaican Diaspora Northeast Future Leaders Awards. So I've had 3 awards so far, and I love each of them for different reasons. I clean them, I hug them sometimes, and I hope for many more.
Many more will come, I promise you.
That's an awesome display of your inner spirit, Raxann. The fact that you're showing appreciation for these awards. It's not a show-off thing, but that's applaudable.
Thank you. I literally hug them. I'm not.
No, we believe that you literally hug them. We believed you.
All right, so tell us about the Disney show you were a costume designer for.
The show is called Keeping Up with the Claws. It's a 20th Digital Studios film through Disney. That's their arm. It's an experimental film that kind of charts a very new conversation with Mrs. Claus and a very feminist type of approach. And it brings up some issues, diversity and conversations of today in a Christmas film. It was really a pleasure working with Disney. It was a lovely cast and crew. And Christmas is my favorite time of the year, so it was just great. And who doesn't want to work with Disney? I'm still pinching myself on that one.
I'm saying.
To me, you could even be a Disney princess, okay? You look like a Disney princess.
True.
Yes. And as a matter of fact, so you've done costume designing for Disney. Which celebrities have you actually designed for? And to add to that, is there a Jamaican celebrity you'd love to do a design for as well?
What a lovely question.
Ah.
So I've had the pleasure of working with Oscar nominee Klaus Chovek, who I styled for the Oscars when he received the nomination for his animation Song of the Sea.
Yes.
That was a huge one. I was thinking to myself, this is an Oscar nominee that I am working with.
Right?
That was actually a surreal experience.
Yes.
I've also worked with Eunice Almeida, and she is a member of the Member of Order of the British Empire, MBE. We also know Eunice Almeida from Star Wars,
right,
as well as she is a Scottish fashion model and supermodel, actually one of Scotland's first Black
Awesome stuff.
supermodel.
Yeah, awesome.
And I've also had the pleasure of working with a lot of tennis athletes, which unfortunately I cannot name their names because of contractual agreements. But
Understood.
I work with
Understood.
Grand Slam tennis athletes as well as umpires for the games. Yeah, just to name a few of the clients.
And then from the Jamaica side now, any Jamaican celebrity you'd want to do some designs for?
Thoughts me on that because there are so many. There are people that I'd like to work for different reasons.
Yes.
I mean, there's so much fabulous people in Jamaica. I've had the pleasure of working with Queen Ifrico and Damian Marley. I've had the pleasure of working with Lorna Bennett. So we have to give them my love right now.
Yes.
For trusting me with their work. I happen to love Layla Ike. She is on my playlist as we speak. I listen to her, especially where I'm coming from, that song. Like sometimes I remind myself where I'm coming from.
Nice.
And that is the song that really channels me.
Yes.
Come on, big tune.
All right, cool.
We hope to add Oscar to that list of awards that you did.
That is the coveted one and the one that I'm really praying for.
All right.
It's a lot of work, but I believe it's attainable.
What's next? What's next for you, Raxann?
What's next for me is I have an event. I have a fashion line called Femheka, and it's our 10-year anniversary. I have an event scheduled for May, which is going to be very surprising, and more to come on that.
Okay, abroad, Jamaica, where
in Florida, to be exact.
Okay, all
and
right.
if anybody's paying attention to current news and just made all those plots, we all know what's going on.
Yeah. But as you say that, we want to keep up with what you're doing, okay? So social media right now is what we're going to use. So where do we go? Follow you on social media. Yeah.
So follow me on social media, just find, I'm very consistent across all the platforms at Raxann Chin and also at Femheka. Interestingly for me, I have two names, both my personal name and my business name that are spelled very differently. So Raxann Chin as shown on screen and Femheka, Femheka. And I am also going to be on your show tonight on TVJ with Anthony Miller at 9. So hope
nice.
You're going to be lovely. Okay, Raxann, it was wonderful talking to you. Yes, and we're going to push out that Oscar award right now.
Yeah, man.
Yes, into the universe. Hear it, claim it. Blessings to you.
Very grateful, and thank you for having me. Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Thanks, Raxann.
You too. Woo! But I know, I just feel so proud.
Yeah, man, it's nice.
Me.
Yeah, man, excellence should be celebrated.
Yes.
Everybody.